What's up, guys? This video is about how to make money on Facebook with retail arbitrage. So a lot of you probably know that I was doing some experiments on Facebook. So if you are new to Facebook, probably you may don't know that there is such function called marketplace. So here you can sell any, so you can put here your country. So at the moment I'm located in Europe, in city Riga. Here I can mark location, how far from me to display products. So you can type here any city and sell your products in any city if you want. So but what products to sell? So I will give you some examples what works in my country, and probably this method will works in any other country. So here is an online shop in my country. Here you can see that I have ordered in bulk 12 pieces, each is 9 euro. So such chair, now as you can see, this chair cost more, but at the moment when I was ordering they will cost only 9 euro. So now it's June and it's high season for so it's all products what are related to garden and home. It's very popular products, and this is why online shops start increasing price for every product. So what I have done, I have bought these chairs as well. I have bought tables. Let me show you. So here are tables, 5 tables. For 5 tables I paid so much money, and one table cost 23 euro, and this is big size. So let me show you what I'm selling on Facebook. So I just separately bought tables and separately bought chairs, and I'm creating such complex, as you can see. So 4 chairs. So let's make some easy calculation. So this one I'm selling for 90 euro. Yes. So here we can see 4 chairs. So 4 chairs, each one costs 9 euro, and one table costs 23 euro plus 23. Okay, so let's for example 1 euro just for expenses. So in total this complete cost me 60 euro, and I'm selling it for 90 euro. So just selling this one complete, I will get 30 euro, right? So you got the idea, I hope. So we can create small one complex like this one. So 2 chairs. Let's make the calculation again. So this table cost me 11.39 euro, and every chair cost me 9 euro. So plus 9 and plus 9. So total price what I have paid for this complex is, let's say it's 30 euro, and I'm selling it for 50. So clear profit from this deal is 20 euro, and I'm able to sell 3 complex. So yeah, as you can see, I've got different colors, different models, and I'm selling all this. So you can do same in your country. Just think what possible to sell on summer season. So for example, this is grill place. I'm selling it for 70, and I bought it for So 70, and I bought it for 48, so 22 euro profit from every sale. If you want this cap, you should pay extra. So as you can see, I got many items what I'm selling on Facebook Marketplace. Here is for example this one. It's a little bit expensive. I bought, for example, this item I have bought for this amount euro and selling for 180, so clear profit is 60 euro. uh, so in my opinion, if you are doing delivery, if you can offer delivery, you can earn even more, and you can charge people for delivery, because this one item is quite big and not every car, not possible to put this in every car. So if you have got big car, you can use it in order to make deliveries, and also you can charge people for delivery process. So the more products what you will list in your Facebook. As you can see, I'm selling materials as well, so quite different products, everything for home, and I'm all this stuff selling on Facebook Marketplace. Here you can see views, and it comes. So in 1 week, I was able to make 1,000 euro by reselling products, and the most interesting is that uh, not all products I have in my stock. So for example, I know that this table I will always get for this price in shop. So when people order from me, I just visit shop and buy this table, buy shares, and make delivery and get my money like this. So this is just example, guys, on how to make money online on Facebook without even having any money. So you can get 20-30 euro, uh, up to 60 euro just from one order without any risk. So you do not need to buy and hold this stuff somewhere in your room. I'm doing this only because I'm 100% sure that these tables will be sold in just 2-3 days. So here is an example how I made some orders here. As well, I'm doing orders from different online shops. Let me show you another one. So I'm sure in your country um, you got also shops where you can make money by reselling this. So here are about solar lamps. Here are some different stuff. So I hope you got idea, and I'm sure you got online stores and um, where you can do the same trick. So just visit them, check what products are on huge discount, maybe use some discount cards and hit come, buy stuff and try to resell them. You can try to resell, you can try just make photos, put it on marketplace, Facebook Marketplace, and see if somebody will be interested and ready to place order. You can go to your shop again and buy this stuff and resell it. So this is how retail arbitrage works. If you are in Germany and countries like this, you can also list your products on websites like eBay, Amazon, and you'll get even more sales. In my country, Amazon is not so popular due to delivery, but Facebook is very popular, and this is why I'm listing it here. So guys, let me know what you think about this video, and let me know if this method will work in your country, and if you are doing already retail arbitrage, let me know what products you are selling on summer season and what products you are planning to sell on winter season. I hope to get any comment below, and make sure to put likes and subscribe to this video. Have a good day.